Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Popcat Soul token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Popcat is a community-driven meme coin built on the Solana blockchain, inspired by the viral Popcat internet meme of a cat named Oatmeal. Viral origin: it's based on a globally recognized cat meme and an associated clicker game that foster viral engagement. Solana SPL token: it operates as a standard token on Solana with a fixed supply and a focus on fair decentralized distribution. Community and culture: its value is divided from social hype and a playful inclusive community rather than technical utility. Popcat project institution rating is 2.8. Popcat sold token total supplies 979.93 million and circulating supplies also 979.93 million Popcat sold token. Popcat sold token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.